What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to fix and edit mobile view on Shopify. So in this video guys, I will show you 3 different methods. You can try each one of them till you get your problem solved. Now the first thing you should do is to simply go and log in into your Shopify and go to the dashboard, then click on online store right here, then go to themes. And after that, click on these 3 dots right here, then click on edit code. It will show you this page right here. And what you should do right now is to go to the left side and search for theme.liquid. Then click on it and it will show you this page right here. And now what you should do is to simply go and click on this third line, then click on enter. And after that, you will have to go down below in the description and copy the first code right here. This code, this is the first code. It looks small, it's just 1 sentence. After that, click on Ctrl V and paste it right here, then click on save. And after that, you can simply try to open the website or the store on your phone and see if your issue is fixed or not. And if it didn't work, you can now jump into the second solution. Now the second solution is to go again to this page right here. Then what you should do right now is to search for base.css. And now as you can see, I have found it, or you can simply search for theme.scss.liquid. It depends on which theme that you are using in your shop. So try to search for any one of these 2 files, then click on it. And after clicking on it, you will have to go down to the end of the file. As you can see now, this is the end of the file. Now copy the second code that I give you in the description. Then now what you should do is to click on enter, then paste it like that. Now click on save, and after that, go and check if your issue is fixed or not. And if these 2 methods didn't work, you can simply go back. And what you should do right now is to head to this page, then click on customize, go up in the upper right corner and choose the mobile theme. And now you can simply customize it manually. You can now change anything that you do not like. So you can simply go to this text right here and try to change it as you want. Let's say that I want to make it bold, for example, or italic, and I want also to decrease its size to medium, and I will have to move it to the next position, as you can see. So you can do whatever thing that you want by going to this page and customize anything you want with the text or the total overview of your website. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.